Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. I'm Shadamar S. Abdusali. I am here to propose my study, which is a smart garbage bin system and sensor-based waste monitoring. This study focuses on developing a smart garbage bin using Arduino technology with mobile application monitoring and sound alert system to improve waste management and prevent garbage overflow. Introduction. Waste management has become a major environmental concern in many communities. Traditional garbage bins cannot monitor waste level, which often results in overflow, unpleasant odor, and efficiency waste collection. So waste management is one of the common problems in many communities. Traditional garbage bins do not provide monitoring system, which often cause overflowing garbage and delay waste collection. To address this problem, the researchers propose a smart garbage bin system capable of detecting waste level using sensors. The system can send monitoring information through a mobile application and activate sound alert. Statement of the problem. This study aims to answer the problem. First, how can the system be designed using Arduino and sensors? Second, how effective is the mobile application in monitoring waste levels? And third, how reliable is the sound alert system with the bin is full? And the last, what is the overall performance of the system in terms of accuracy and responsiveness? So, This main problem is study how to improve waste monitoring through a smart garbage bin system capable of sound alert, reliability, and overall system performance. Next. Objective of this study. General objective. To develop a smart garbage bin system with sensor-based waste monitoring using Arduino technology. This main objective of this study is to develop a smart garbage bin system with sensor-based waste monitoring. First, to design and develop a sensor based in a smart garbage bin system. Second, to implement mobile application monitoring for waste level detection. And third, to create a sound alert system when the garbage bin is full. And the last one, to evaluate the performance of the system. Hypothesis. The null hypothesis is to state that the smart garbage bin system has no significant effect. While the alternative hypothesis states that the smart garbage bin system significantly improve waste monitoring efficiency and accuracy. A hypothesis is used to determine whether the proposed system has a significant effect based on the gathered data. Next. Conceptual framework ICO model. This study followed the input, process, and output. The input includes waste level data from sensors user monitoring requests. The process, sensors detect waste level. Arduino processes data mobile application save, update, sound alert activates. And the output, real-time monitoring, sound alert notification, and improve waste management. Next. Block diagram. The block diagram shows the overall structure of the system. The ultrasonic sensor detects the waste level, sends the data to the Arduino, and the Arduino processes the information and activate the mobile application monitoring and sound alert system. Next. This is the flowchart. The flowchart presents the step-by-step operation of the system. The process starts with level detection, The system will check if the bin is full. If not full, monitoring continues. So if no, continue monitoring. If yes, activate buzzer, send mobile notification, and process. And then end. Next. Research methodology. They study use developmental research, design, focusing on the design, development, testing, and evaluating of the smart garbage bin system. The research locally will be conducted in Alat Hawari, Iloilo, Philippines. So system design. This is the component used using Arduino Uno, ultrasonic, sensor, bus, mobile application, jumper walls, power supply. And this is the system process. Sensor detect the waste level. And the second, the Arduino processes the data, and the mobile app receives information. And when the garbage bin is full, the buzzer activates when it's full. So next, data collection and testing. Statistical tools used to use percentage, used to measure accuracy and reliability, mean, and also used to determine average response time and performance. Accuracy rate, measure correct waste level detection. Reliability rate, measure consistency of alerts in monitoring. Next. Significance of this study: beneficiaries, community, help maintain cleanliness and proper waste management. Waste collector, provide timely notification to garbage collection. School and institution, promote awareness of smart waste management. Future researchers also benefits from this. This study rather serve as reference for the future study. And the scope and the limitation. Scope is only for Arduino-based smart garbage bin, sensor-based waste monitoring, mobile app monitoring, and sound alert. The limitation: prototype scale only is not, and also the limited testing area. No AI-based separation, no city-wide implementation. And the expected output. The proposed smart garbage bin system is expected to detect waste level accurately, provide real-time monitoring, prevent garbage overflow, improve waste management efficiency, and provide timely sound alert and notification. Thank you for listening.